It's me again, Marcus T. Gamer. Today magaling nagbabalik tayo sa isang laro na tinatawag na Puppy Playtime, which is part 2 na. Kung pa pala ay mag-subscribe ka na para mag-update sa mga bago nating upload ng mga videos at mag-update sa mga bago nating upload ng mga videos na kaya dito nag-upload na ng mga horror game and syempre si Wagi Wagi part 2. Hindi natin na matapos na itong nakaraan, so gagawin pala natin dito. Nakita yung bakal na to, ha? Yung bakal na to. Ha? Gagawin natin dyan. Sasayawan natin yan. Hasta la vista, baby. Damn! Okay, so okay, itong bakal na to pala, ang gagawin pala natin dito ay alright, so there we goes. And ang gagawin natin dito, harap na to. Sobrang hirap naman ito. No. Hindi, tama. Okay. Alright. There you goes. Ito na, oh. Diba? Just like that. Ganun kasi yung play. So, anong gagawin natin kasunod? Magpapakita na ba si Mommy Legs? Mommy Legs. Magpapakita na ba si Mommy Legs dito? Hindi ko alam kung Ooh. How are you, Mommy Legs? Oh! Shit! May hinapugak na lastik man dito. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Yeah, you do.
Exciting, Mommy. Mommy heard that Miss Poppy was going to just give you the train code to escape. Now, how is that fun?
What the fuck are you doing? Ang pangit mo. Oh, yes.
The game station is still working. It will be just like old times. All 3 games, I'll give you the train code.
What the fuck are you doing?
Good idea, Pup.
Anong kalokohan yan?
You're going to have so much fun.
Give me that freaking doll.
And Mommy will get things started.
Huh?
Obey the rules, or I'll tear you apart. And eat your insides while you're still
tanga ka, di ba? Tanga ka, ha? Ha? Tawa ng baliw yun, ha? Tumawa na siya. Okay, wala na tayong kamay. Kinuha yung kamay natin. Grabe. Hindi tayo makapaglulo. Alright. There it goes. Anong gagawin natin dito? Ang lawak, oh. Maglalaro ba tayo dito? Kumusta ka, bossing? So ito.
Hi kids, welcome to the game station.
Okay.
I'm Stella, and we've got 3 super duper fun games to play. These little tests show us just how crazy strong and smart you are. Follow Mommy Longlegs down the stairs, and we'll start by playing Musical Memory. See you in a bit.
Down the stairs. We are going there and down the stairs. And down the stairs.
I know when your birthday is.
Yay!
28.
Wala kang jowa. Ako matatakot yan, ha? Matatakot ako. Hindi mo ako matatakot, you know, bitch. Oh my goodness. What the fuck is this? So, hindi pala tayo makakatakas dito. Tsukalating ulitin yung game, ganun. Oh, okay.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so inulit ko yung laro kasi na-stuck tayo. Hindi na tayo makatakas dun, eh. So, ito na yung, pagpatuloy na natin. Binabaan natin yan. Okay, just like that. Wala kasi tayong ibang daan dito. Kasi kung dito tayo dadaan, hindi kasi ito yung daan, eh. Wala kasi tayong kamay. Kinuha kasi ni Mommy Legs. Walang yung Mommy Legs yan. Ay, nawala yung tren. Where the fuck the train is? Akala natin sundan tong train na to. Chuchu! Wala naman daan dito, eh. So, saan natin pupuntahan si Mommy Legs? Ay, ganun din to, eh. So, try natin dito. Kung wala pa rin talaga. Sheesh! Laglag ako. There are fates worse than death. So buhay pa tayo, get up, lumalaban pa. So yun lang, sa tingin ko dito muna tapusin ng videos natin. And hanapin ko yung paano tayo makatakas dun. And yun, sila lang sa next video natin. And yun lang, this is Magas. Sige mo sa stick pero magaling. See you in the next video, stay ko lang paragi. Alright, goodbye.